Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 75. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we walk the full length of Broadway inside Alcatraz Cell House, explore the dining and kitchen areas, and briefly step outside to the exercise yard. We begin on Broadway, the main central corridor of the prison. This was the most heavily supervised area inside Alcatraz. Guards monitored it constantly from catwalks above, and every movement here followed strict timing. The prisoners marched to and from meals, work, and counts in total silence. The echo of boots on concrete was one of the defining sounds of life on the rock. At the western end of Broadway, we reached the dining hall, one of the largest rooms in the cell house. Though it served as a cafeteria, inmates nicknamed it the gas chamber. The name was literal. There was no execution chamber on Alcatraz, but rather reflected the anxiety of being confined in a single open space with hundreds of men. In the early years, guards feared that riots or mass attacks could break out here, so canisters of tear gas were installed in the ceilings and could be released remotely from the gun gallery above. Inside the hall could seat about 250 inmates at a time. Each man had a fixed seat. The conversation during meals were forbidden. Food on Alcatraz was reputed to be the best in the federal system, a deliberate strategy to reduce unrest. Men who caused trouble lost the privilege of regular meals and were placed on bread and water rations instead. Beyond the dining area, we looked through the barred windows into the kitchen. The outlines of the serving line, sinks, and preparation tables are still visible. Tools were carefully controlled. Every knife and cleaver was outlined on a painted board so guards could instantly see if one was missing. This simple system prevented potential weapons from leaving the room unnoticed. We circle back towards Times Square, the intersection of the main corridors, and head again towards Park Avenue, where movement between blocks was managed. Guards stationed here could observe all directions at once, ensuring no inmate passed without being counted. From there, we exit the building and step into the exercise yard, the largest open space on Alcatraz, and for inmates, the only place where they could feel unfiltered sun and wind. It's bordered by high concrete walls and overlooked by guard towers armed with rifles. The yard contained a small baseball diamond, handball courts, and benches, but recreation was strictly regulated and usually limited to the weekends. In this confined setting, even leisure operated under discipline. After a short time outside, we re-enter the cell house, returning once again to the stark interior that defined daily life here. The transition from open air back to steel and stone was a daily reminder of what confinement meant on the island. Freedom always visible, never reachable. That concludes today's episode. Our walk from Broadway, through the dining hall and kitchen, back through Times Square, out to the exercise yard and inside again. A full circuit through the routines and restrictions that shape every day on Alcatraz.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.